Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. With an update for September 24th, 2024. It is 6:48 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And well, as usual, we're going to start with dollar yen because that's the one that generally has been the shaker and groover. And right now, support for right now the day sits at 143.50. By dollar yen kind of now getting through this 20 level, breaking down below 20, it's kind of solidifying a little bit of resistance at that new high that was made, which is right over here at the, what was it, 144.68 level. And there is further resistance right up here at the 144.95, and after that is 145.17. If it breaks through that, it's heading on its way to like 146.33. Do I expect that to happen today? No, but I really expected to be tracking down lower. But okay, market's going to do what the market's going to do, and the market's always right. So I'm just trying to figure out like what's the break point of this thing. Well, if it gets below 143.50, hang on, let me get some numbers. All right, if we get through this 143.50, the lower level that we got to watch is the 142, say 82 level. Lower after a break of that, then we got like 142 the figure. Now, by it staying below this 20 level, it's tracking to 143.50. So what could possibly happen? Well, really what I'm looking at here is if this 50 level can hold, we're going to probably try to attack again the 17, maybe go up a little bit higher. Let me use my arrows. Let me use my arrows, man. If we can come down to this 50 level and we can't break it, we can't break down through this low over here, most likely we're going to track back up, and we have to watch price action, because if it's truly in a downward movement, it's going to hold this and then break down and break down through that and hit this 142.82 level. All right, let's move on to that bloody sterling dollar. Hang on one second. Okay, so this sterling dollar, I mean, yesterday it it still isn't, isn't really like rolling, and it's all sterling yen. Really, I have no real clue what the market's trying to do here. I could say either side right now, and up or down in the sterling yen, but obviously the dollar yen is the key, because sterling dollar really is having a difficult time continuing its rally. Now, I did some number like volatility numbers, and there's no like clear breakout for sterling dollar. It's been in a downward pressure for so long. I mean, we're talking years. So it has a minor resistance at 133.90. That there's a bigger one at 134.20, 134.70. If it could somehow manage to get through these levels throughout this week, I don't expect it happening today. We're looking at that top that we've been looking at that 135 level. Now, if it breaks down through the level of 133, what price is this? 133, say 50. I should move this down a little bit. 133.50, not so much 55. I think it was like, yeah, 133.49. We're heading back down to the 133.30 level, and then 133 the figure, 130, 132, yeah, 133 the figure. I'm going to tell you, if it breaks like 133 the figure, we're going back down to that 132.50 level, because it's gonna freak people out. I mean, traders already, 132.48. I mean, I was long yesterday. I got long yesterday at 133.38. I waited hours. I mean, I put my stop originally at 132. 90, and it just wasn't happening, you know. And like I have like a time stop in my head. If the market's not going, it's just a waste of mental energy for me to sit and keep like looking. Okay, where is it? Ah, where is it? Oh gosh, it's only moved. Oh, it went up 10 pips. Oh, it hit 59. Oh boy, you know. So I ended up killing the thing, you know, right here, you know, and I don't know. I'm just gonna take another. I'm just gonna wait. I think it needs to clear 134.20. Then I could see some price action. That's kind of interesting. All right, let's go on over to sterling yen. All right, sterling yen. Uh, a new resistance is coming in at 193.01. Not doing us any good right now. What was the high of this thing? 193.32. Okay. Do we have anything above 193.32? Let me see something here. Okay. Another volatility level is coming in at 193. Resistance 193. Uh, actually, right here 193.29. Now, again, that does us no good. All right. So this already happened. Where's support right now? Well, right now I don't have support until 191.85. So there's just a lot of airspace in between these two because of the volatility has been so wild. I can't apologize for the numbers. The numbers are numbers. If we can get above 193.29, what's the target? Well, it's like right around 193.70. Okay, and then 194. It needs to get, I said in a previous video, it needs to get and stay above 193 like 50 to kind of shake this huge leg that we had, where we had this downward leg from, I gotta go to like say a daily chart so we could see it. Hang on here. 1 minute. What's going on here? So here it was, this 193.50, like this is the tops, right? So we need to get through this 193.50 to basically shake this whole movement off, so the marketplace basically can say, okay, now we got a break up towards this 196.97. That's a completely new look. I'm not saying we're going back up to 208. I'm just saying the next level is 196.97. One step at a time, but that main point right here of that, say, 193.50 is a really important point in sterling yen. So, and then the next level of support was that 191.84. So hang on one second. Okay, good old euro yen. There was a minor support here right at 17. It's kind of flirting with it right now. Definitely resistance at 161.91. Now, here is the thing. We get through 161.91, and we're looking at like 162, like 45-ish. 162.49. That's close enough. If we're staying below, and the key again is dollar yen, if dollar yen can hold the upper levels and start tracking down, because really nothing's happening in the euro dollar, and obviously nothing's happening in the British pound right now. So where is the supports? Where's the lower supports for this euro yen? So hang on one second. Okay, supports, we got 159.59 and 159.18. We have resistance obviously up here at this top, 161.11. If it, yeah, 161.19. If we could reverse back up through that, it's going towards 161.91 and then 162.49. So there we have the daily points for September 24th, 2024. Remember, head on over to Park Avenue Trading, get yourself a free ebook. If you like what you see, I moved myself, so I can't figure out where my fingers got to go. It's got to be opposite of what I want, right? Okay. You can tell I've been on television quite often. Yeah, if you like what you see, please share the videos far and wide. If you do like, definitely, if you're new, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to build a big trading community. Look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers. Oh, what is it? Enjoy the party. but dance near the door. I'll tell you a story in the next video how that came about, where I heard that from. It's a pretty funny story. But I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.